Welcome everyone. So in this video, I'd like to show you how you can pass your quiz one easily. Okay, so this is for our first semester students for Unilas, okay, who are doing our pre-meds. All right, so we have videos on whatever is required, okay, for you to pass the quiz one. So the quiz one will be on the first two topics, okay? So the first one, it will be on algebra. So let me just get a pen. So the first one to be on algebra. Okay. So algebra is basically tutorial sheet one. Okay. And then the second topic, okay, will be functions. And functions is basically tutorial sheet what? Two. So now what we have done at our institute is that we've solved all the questions from tutorial sheet one and all the questions from tutorial sheet what? Two. So if you're able to solve all those questions, okay, then you will be able to pass this quiz very easily. Okay. You can also access the previous solutions for the quiz that your friend had like last year. Okay. So if you're able to access that, and then you revise it, then you'll be able to pass easily. So let me just show you. Okay, so if you want to register with us, check the link in the description. Okay, just click on that link, and then it will give you a video guide on how you can register with us, and it also give you the link to our website. So you go to the website, you register, okay, and once you are registered, okay, once you are registered, you are going to see something like this. Okay, so if you are registered in that course, you're going to have enrolled on top there. Okay, so let's check out what we have. So if you open the course there, okay, we open the math course, it will bring two folders. Okay, so this second folder is specifically for those who are at Apex, okay, in their second semester. But for you guys who are first semester Unilas, you go in the general mathematics. Okay, so we have lessons and tutorials, handwritten notes, tutorial sheet and assignment, and then past quiz, test, and exam papers. Okay, so you can go in the lessons and tutorials if you want to understand a certain topic. Okay, so let's say maybe sets, you go there, you're going to find videos and written notes. Okay, but my focus here is helping you prepare for that quiz that you're having tomorrow. So you go in the tutorial sheets, okay, and assignments, and then when this loads, you're going to find different universities. So you choose your university, which is Unilas. Okay. So once you choose Unilas, you go in the first semester folder. And then here you're going to go to the video solutions. Okay. So when you go to the video solutions, you're going to see this tutorial sheet one, tutorial sheet two. So we solved all the questions from tutorial sheet one, and we also solved all the questions from tutorial sheet two. And then we just started solving tutorial sheet what? Tutorial sheet three. So we are also going to finish it. So for your quiz, make sure you know how to solve all the questions from tutorial sheet one and all the questions from tutorial sheet two. So you can go into tutorial sheet two here, and then you're going to find all these videos here. Okay, so these are all the questions from tutorial sheet what? From tutorial sheet 2. Okay, so you can click there if you want to watch a certain video. Okay, so this video here was on question 1. Okay, so you can play it. This video, you're going to look at questions from tutorial sheet 2, which can functions. Okay, so this is Unilas. Okay, so you can drag this thing here to increase the volume or to reduce it. Okay, and then this icon at the end here, you put your video in full screen mode. Okay. Yeah, so you can watch this, okay, and all the other questions in tutorial sheet 2. So if you know how to solve all the questions in tutorial sheet 2 and tutorial sheet 1, then it will be very easy for you to pass the quiz. Okay, so even if you go in the folder for tutorial sheet 1, you're also going to find the videos there. All right, but what if you want to check out the past papers? Okay, so for past papers, we have written solutions. So you go back to your general math, okay, and then you go to past quiz, test, and exam papers, and then you pick Unilas here, okay, and then you go to the first semester folder, okay, and then you go to the written solutions there, okay, and then you can see these are the previous assessment that your friends had. So if you want, you can check out the solutions for last year. So these here are the solutions for last year. So they're in written form, so you can open them, okay. So they're going to open there. You're going to see the questions. So if you're able to solve all these questions, you can see that these same questions here are the same questions that were in the tutorial sheet, and they just brought them back in the what? In the quiz. Okay, so make sure you solve all the questions in the tutorial sheet. You never know which one they may pick to bring in your quiz. So all these questions here are just from tutorial sheets. Okay, so once you pass through all this, then I can guarantee you're going to pass your what? Your exams. So we solved all this. This is a question from tutorial sheet 1, you see. So make sure you solve all the questions from tutorial sheet 1, even this one. We solved all these questions in our videos for tutorial sheet 1 and 2. All right, so end of quiz there. So if you'd like to access all this and pass easily, okay, it may not be for your quiz 1, but even the quiz 2, the test 1, okay, the mid-semester exams, I mean, okay, you can also use our materials here and our videos. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. If you'd like to register, please check the description here. You're going to find a registration video guide. So you watch it, and then afterwards, okay, afterwards you go and to the website, you register an account, okay, and then when it's active, you'll be able to access all those videos. So you can watch them anytime, anywhere. All right, so thank you so much. This has been Tutor Solutions.